Alright, we have the Wolverine Movie Maker Pro here, and we're going to go through the process of digitizing an 8mm film reel. I'm going to start by mounting the film. So 8mm has a rectangular sprocket hole, the Super 8 has square, and the position of the film is different. On the 8, it's at the edge of the each frame. On the Super 8, it's down the middle. Before we did this, we cleaned out the gate. We made sure that the light table here was clean. We run under the first finger there, under the next one, and then the last. And I like to go over the first 3 sprockets, but not the 4th. It's a little bit easier for splices to pass through. Also gives it just a little bit more tension. And then we go up, around, and onto the reel. Push the film through here. Give that a couple of wraps just to get it started. Then we look over here for our first frame of a picture here. And then we line it up so we see the 3 holes are centered. Close the gate. First step I'll then go to do is go to menu. It's a little bit helpful if you hook an external TV up here so you can see what we're doing a little bit better. Alright, so we're going to arrow down to frame adjust, hit enter. Moves forward a couple of frames. And now we're going to use the controls to size the frame and to adjust the location. So we hit enter to move between the different properties, and the up and down arrows to set them. It goes in a loop until you get everything set up the way you like. I like to go a little bit wider, leave some of the edges, and I'll crop those off in post, just in case the registration changes throughout the capture. When you're all done, you hit menu. You'll move forward a couple of frames, you have a look, make sure everything is in frame. If we need to, we go back to menu. If we're all set to go, we hit enter. It's going to ask us to verify the film type, so we're doing 8mm. I hit enter one more time. It says please wait, and then it starts the capture. If we need to stop it at any time, you hit enter again, and it stops the process. Come back in a half hour or an hour, and depending on the length of the reel, and then you go rewind it, and you're all set.